Okay, I turned off one of the lights because there was a glare, so it might be a little dark now, but that's the best I can do. This is Edith back with some cross-stitch kits and other kits, and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about my journey with type 2 diabetes and also the crafts that I work on and finish and purchase. So these are some of the kits. I am the founder of 6 Diabetes 2 groups on Facebook, which help people with their way of eating. We don't call it a diet because it's a lifetime change. You can do it without meds. I was allergic to metformin, so I do it just with eating healthy, delicious food. Okay, let's start with this kit. Now this is a Needle Art World no count cross stitch. I was looking at it and I thought it was a little dark, kind of like a Halloween haunted house. But then I did another one of their kits that I thought was dark and I liked it. See, the canvas is colored, so you know where to put your colors. It's a lot easier. So the only thing I don't like about these is that the floss is not DMC, so you have to be very careful that you don't run out of floss. So this is the kit that I made from them, and I thought it was a little dark at first too. I didn't like all the black on that tree, but then while you're working on it, but when you see the whole thing completed, I really like it. I like the orange shades and the cabin in the woods. And I don't know how long this took me, about 3 or 4 months, I guess. I think it's like a 16 by 20 or 12 by 14, not sure. I like to do pillows now for different seasons. This is a watering can, and I got it at Hirschner's. Hirschner's has really good prices sometimes compared to Amazon, so be sure to check them out. They're in Stevens Point, Wisconsin. I like this one because there isn't a lot of backstitch. I did one from them before and it was tons of backstitch around the flowers and the petals, but this looks like it'll be easier. So let's continue on. This is a smaller one, 5 by 7 maybe. It's would be nice to take along in the car if you're going on a road trip. I like the fact that the floss is separated already. And that's that one. This one, Flamingo, I like that, the pink. I have a bathroom that's pink and teal. And I don't know about the background, how easy that's going to be. You have to fill all that in. But I do like the teal color. Yeah. So we'll see how that goes. That's a Dimensions kit. So again, those kits are have Chinese floss, I believe, with those cards that look like that. They're made in China. So here's another Dimensions I love. The watering cans. There's some glare there. I like this. I know there's a series of watering mason jar cans, or jars I should say, but I like these with the ropes. And I really like the colors. Here's lots of backstitch on the flowers again, but the way they have it in the jars, that actually looks like water. And the background is pre-printed, so you don't have to do anything on the background. So that's why I like that one. Now here's another gorgeous one. This is an Artisty. That's from Hobby Lobby. Beautiful Christmas cross stitch. Now I haven't been checking the Ooh, most Sweegart. Is that a 16 by 4.25? But it doesn't say the count on the cross stitch. Oh well. Most of these are 14 or 18 count. Okay, I like the colors. They're nice and bright. Greens and reds and yellow. Here's another one I found at Hirschner's. Beautiful colors. It's cut the same way. You don't have to cut the Ada. It's already cut long like that. So that would look nice mounted on a board, wouldn't it? For summer. I think it's, yeah, summer welcome. Patriotic. Nice colors. Oh. Okay, these are not on a card though, they're twisted together. I really don't like that part where you have to untangle everything and separate the colors. But in time, we will get there. Now this is an applique kit. Sulky Simply Applique Winter. Isn't it cute? I'm not sure. I think you have to cut it out, yeah. You get all the fabric, but you have to cut everything out and attach it. I haven't done applique before, so I think you have to put interfacing and then iron it onto the back and then iron it onto your main fabric and probably do satin stitch around it to hold it down. Not quite sure. Now this one I found at Walmart and I really liked the patriotic part. And the colors. Oh, it's a Janlin number 22. Probably be hard finding a frame for this. Nice colors again with the floss. I bought another kit from Walmart and 90% of it was half stitches. I didn't like that because I ended up using 2 strands instead of 1 because I wanted it a little more darker. It didn't show up very good with the half stitch. But these are all whole cross stitch and they are separated on a floss card. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, this I splurged on. It's a Plum Street sampler. And I went and I bought the floss at Joann when it was on sale. Oh, I covered it up. I don't know. Oh, Live on a Little. That's the name of it. Okay. So that's that one. Here again, I went out of my my paying plan. I spent a little more on this one too at Hirschner's. I think it was $50, but this is imported from England and I like the verse and it's a typical sampler. What is this one? I'm trying to see. It's got the alphabet, and to everything there is a season and a time and a purpose, to every purpose under heaven. So that has the floss again, but it's probably not DMC, and the Ada is like more of a tan color. Now this is Design Works, and I thought this was really cute. It's got wine bottles and a lady riding a bike and some farmers waiting for her. And let's see. Oh, it's just a plain white Ada. And the colors are, let's see if I can get them out of the bag here. Oh, they are on a card. So, nice colors. And then this one is one that my daughter picked out for me to make for her. It's just a Noel. I got this at a stitchery shop in Florida. And the pattern, it's just the pattern, and then again I got the floss from Joann when it was on sale for 45 cents a skein. I have some other things in a bag over here too, if you're not getting bored yet. This is a Dresden plate. Now, it has the fabric, you just iron it onto your bag or your pillow. I think I have a couple of those. I don't know what this is. It's called a Zendazzle, and it's like sequins that you sew on fabric. It's like a doily for Christmas. Oh, and this is a Halloween cutout. I think this is on wool. What's it called? Friends of Gould in the patch designs. So I thought that was cute. You have to buy your felt, but that's pretty reasonable. And here are just some smaller ones that I don't know why I bought. I just thought to give as a gift or something. Love, laugh, love. And that's counter cross stitch, yes. Now this I got at Hirschner's quite a while ago. It's a tunic. And haven't made one yet, but see the front part, the middle section is added on, and you can change that to any beautiful fabric you might have. So I thought that was a neat idea. Okay. Home Sweet Home. I think that's cute for somebody that is up in the woods that owns a cabin or a cottage. Alright, what else do we got? Oh, here's another one of those printed kits from Needle Art World. No count cross stitch. It's already on the fabric, the colors. Yeah. And those are skill level 3. And what else do we got in here? Oh, I just buy things, you know, at random when they're on sale. Thought that was cute, the little bicycle. Those little ones are nice, like I said, for traveling. Oh, here's a bag that I made already. It's butterflies. And you put it cross stitch on a canvas bag. I've got it completed in one of my other videos if you want to look at it. And let's see, what is this one? Last but not least, here we go with another applique wall hanging. Summer celebrations or patriotic. Okay, it comes with the fabric, but you do have to cut it out. So I think that was it. Yep. I thought I had an Easter pillow. I don't know what happened to that. I Guess I don't have it today. Oh, and this I found online, and I'm sorry I ordered it. It came from China, and I thought with the mountains in the background, I wanted something like the European or the Alpine mountains in Austria. And I really like this, and it does even, no, it does give you some colors, but it doesn't say DMC, so you have to take it with you and kind of match it. But the color on this canvas is really light. You know how you try to match it with the holes, the colors? Now here it looks darker. But like the sky part, where it changes from white to blue, really hard to see. The cabin part looks okay. And there's a lot of different colors on the ground. Okay, I think that's about it today. So if you're interested in learning about how to control diabetes without having to go on a lot of meds and what you need to eat to do that, comment in the comment section and let me know you're interested in joining one of the groups. And if you know anyone else that is diabetic and has some questions that the doctors won't answer, the ADAD or ADA, American Diabetes Association, won't tell you to eat low carb. They'll tell you to eat healthier, but also to keep getting your meds. Alright, take care. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Bye.